Hi, I'm Sherielyn Guadiana, a third-year computer science student at CITU, and I build things that matter. Not just apps that run, but products that solve real problems. In the next 6 minutes and 40 seconds, I'll show you exactly why I belong at Symph. A quick fun fact, my lead quality assurance tester is my dog, Haru. He's a brown, white, and black poodle mix who sits by me during midnight debugging sessions. He can't read code, but he keeps me grounded. Best colleague ever. I chose Symph because 16 years of making technology work for people isn't just a tagline. It's my core philosophy too. I don't just ship features. I want to build products that fundamentally change how businesses operate and how users experience their world. My path has been a deliberate climb. Today, I'll take you through that journey map, from mastering academic programming fundamentals to delivering commissioned freelance work under strict professional deadlines to pioneering Gen AI-driven solutions at hackathons. Now let's dive in. It started with Cooking Ina Ang Sarap, a JavaFX desktop game with heart. You play a Filipina mother running a merienda stall near CITU. Under the hood, it features multi-threading for simultaneous customers, advanced OOP patterns, and Gen AI art. Highly functional and soulful. Next, I moved to the web with Blue Hire, a full-stack platform connecting clients with blue-collar workers. With a React front-end and Spring Boot backend, we built proximity matching logic. We couldn't ship that feature in the MVP due to time constraints, but we laid a scalable foundation. Then came Ultimate Tic-Tac-Toe, built in Android Studio with Kotlin. We exploded the classic game into a massive 9x9 grid where your move dictates your opponent's next board. It proves that great engineering isn't always about adding complexity. Sometimes, it's about reimagining the logic. My journey leveled up with MedSync. This was a commissioned freelance project with a real client and real stakes. My technical team, AICon, was tasked with building a synchronized, smart medical box and a companion mobile app to help patients maintain medication adherence. The challenge? 2 weeks and zero prior hardware experience. Yes, we focus heavily on the technical synchronization, learning to seamlessly push Arduino sensor data to our React Native app with perfect persistence. Relentless adjustments and sleepless nights, but we delivered a fully functional, client-ready product. Then, I entered the hackathon arena. Our project, Symph, won first runner-up at Sebay Hacks. The complex challenge was stabilizing Cebu's tourism demand using data and predictive tech. Big problem, bigger ambition. We went in sharp and we came out with a trophy. Symph is an AI-powered predictive marketing engine integrating Google Gemini and Google Trends. It analyzes real-time global search patterns to detect rising interest in local destinations. It automatically generates hyper-targeted promotional content. Local businesses stop passively chasing demand and starts proactively creating it. This dashboard handles the entire pipeline: business classification, global demand tracking, top market analysis, AI content generation, and direct social media publishing. It's one platform end-to-end. You don't just see the data, you act on it instantly. It showcases a powerful architecture we are actively refining. Next is Pocket Class, which secured second place at the AI Academy Code the Future competition. It's an R&D project focused on bridging the educational gap by bringing high-quality, AI-driven learning to students in areas with zero internet connectivity. This isn't just a technical problem, it's a human one. The engineering challenge here is immense. We designed an offline-first architecture, experimenting with on-device AI using the Gemma 2.0 model as our local LLM. No cloud dependency. We're feeding it a single grade level curriculum for our MVP. It's an agile, iterative, and highly ambitious build. The funny story about this hackathon? We actually misread the guidelines and showed up thinking it was just a problem orientation. So no solution prepared, just us, walking in completely unprepared. We scrambled, built a solution in one day, and incredibly, walked out with second place. Still surreal. But I'm also a designer at heart. When the UI across our team projects gets inconsistent, I step in, whether designing e-commerce apps or food sharing platforms. I prioritize clean, accessible layouts because I firmly believe if the user experience isn't seamless, the technology isn't working. Beyond the code, I serve as the finance lead for the Google Developer Group on campus at CITU. In this role, I bridge our technical ambitions with disciplined resource management, ensuring our student developer community has the actual support and runway it needs to thrive. Why accept my application? Because I bridge ambitious AI concepts and end-to-end architecture. I bring the accountability of a freelancer, the rapid innovation of a hackathon winner, and the absolute hunger to build at your enterprise level. I am looking for a place to contribute. Thank you for getting to know me. I'm ready to bridge the gap from foundations to innovation and help Symph make technology work for people. I want to build something great with a team who cares. Let's connect on GitHub or LinkedIn.